Thank you first of all, TEDx GGSIPU, for having me here. It's amazing, and I hope you guys are going to have fun with me today. So, first of all, I'm going to start off by talking about my little journey that I've had till now. I started learning music when I was around 4 years old. I started with Gurbani Sangeet music because my mom was very spiritually connected and she wanted me to start learning Gurbani music. Thereafter, when I was around 6 years old, I also started learning Hindustani classical music from Kirana and Dor Gharana. Then I started learning Western rock and pop, Western classical, Punjabi folk, and Patiala Gharana, as well as Banaras Gharana. So I've learned a lot of things. But I think for me, it's always been about mixing stuff, mixing new styles, new genres, and creating a new sound for everyone. And I also wrote my first book when I was 12 years old. It's a murder mystery called The Golden Triangle. And that was my first delving into the world of creative writing, not just books, but also songs. That's when I started writing my first songs. And I've also had the amazing opportunity to work with big artists. For example, Arijit Sir, it is an amazing opportunity to work with him, and I'm ever grateful for it. So next, I'd like to talk about how I deal with everything. A lot of people ask me, कि तुम किताबें भी लिखती हो, music भी करती हो, school भी करती हो. How do you handle everything? So I think for this, two things are very necessary. One is having faith in yourself. If you know you can do it, you can do it. If you know कि आज मैंने सुबह उठना है, सबसे पहले उठ के रियाज करना है, उठ के रियाज करने के बाद मैंने सिंगिंग जाना है, उसके बाद मैंने घर आके अपना म्यूजिक क्लासेस करनी है, फिर I have to study. If I know I can do it, I am able to do it every day. And of course, you have to have the discipline to do it. So, because I've had to do so much of all this stuff, it does mean कि to some extent I've had to sacrifice on normal teenager stuff. मतलब, for example, मैं घूमने नहीं जाती थी, मैं घर पे ही बैठी रहती थी, गाने बनाती थी या पढ़ती रहती हूँ. So I think, but then when you know you have to do it, because I know after so many years this is going to pay off. My hard work will pay off. And a lot of people sometimes underestimate me due to my age. But I feel that actions speak louder than words. So I've always tried to prove myself through my words. I mean, you guys might feel कि मैं 16 साल की लड़की क्या बोल रही हूँ. You feel that? Have you underestimated me due to my age? Yes? No? No? Okay, thank you so much. So here I am. I'm trying to show my very best to you today here. And I'd like to talk about one of my first original songs that I wrote called Can I Change? This song was written by me during COVID, which was a turning point for me because this was, I think, a turning point for quite a few people, where I changed from a person I was before COVID to someone very different afterwards. And I think my inspiration for writing has always been about bringing out my emotions, my vulnerable moments, my truth, my honesty out to everyone. And I hope that I can always keep conveying my songs with the same simplicity. And like I mentioned before, since I've learned so many genres, I've always had the hunger for learning more and more. And I want to keep learning as much as I possibly can in a lifetime. Now I'd like to talk about some of my notable experiences. Most notable one being Indian Idol. So I went to Indian Idol last year. It got ended this year in March, season 15. It was amazing. It was an amazing experience. Even though I went in top 30, which is a theater now, and uske baad I got eliminated. But it was like a lifetime experience because I think I've connected with so many people from different states of India. And I learned most of all that the passion that I have for music is shared by so many other people. And it's so tough to think जब अपने घर में ही बैठे रहते हो ना, you think कि मुझे ही अपने म्यूजिक की फिक्र है, इतना बाकी लोगों को नहीं है. But we all share the same love, the same bond. And I'm also grateful that I got to be up and close with the judges of the show, Shreya Ghoshal ma'am, Vishal Dandani sir, and Baksha sir. It was surreal for me, honestly. I also have been appreciated on social media by Rahman sir. As I mentioned before, I've worked with Arijit sir, and I've been appreciated by Karan Aujla sir as well as Ayushmann Khurrana, and I'm very grateful for that. And I hope that my music can reach places as I go on. Now, I'd like to speak about something that was a very big incident for me. So, have you ever wondered कि इंस्टा पे लोग वायरल चले जाते हैं एंड यू फील लाइक कि अरे यार ये तो इसलिए फेमस है क्योंकि इंस्टा पे वायरल चला गया, कितना आसान होता है वायरल जाना? नहीं होता। यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड फॉर एनीथिंग। ठीक है, इंस्टा पे ट्रेंड्स करके आप करोगे, बट व्हेन यू आर गोइंग वायरल और गेटिंग रिकॉग्नाइज्ड फॉर समथिंग व्हिच इज योर ओन वर्क, like your own art, that is tough. That is tough like anything. It's like releasing a song in the olden times and getting people to buy your CDs, right? It's the same thing. So one of my first reels or songs which went viral was Hamri Atariya. So Hamri Atariya is a very old movie by Begum Akhtar ji, and I had done a different version of it, which was a mixture of Begum Akhtar ji's and Shobha Kapoor's version. And people really liked it. It was appreciated by stalwarts from all across the industry, including Vishal Randani sir. And I'll be presenting it right now to all of you, and I hope all of you really like it. हमरी अटरिया पे आजा रे सांवरिया, देखा देखी तनिक हुई जाए, मिलन जाई है नजर मिल जाई है, सब दिन का झगड़ा खत्म हुई जाए, हमरी अटरिया पे हम तुम भोले सैया, जग है जुल्मी, प्रीत को पाप कहते अधर्मी, जग से न कहियो ये बात आपस की, जग सुनिए तो जुल्म हुई जाए, हमरी अटरिया पे मजा रे सांवरिया, तनिक हुई जाए, मिल जाई है नजर मिल जाई है, सब दिन का झगड़ा खत्म हुई जाए, हमरी अटरिया इस दिन मैं करूं तेरी पूजा, नैनन में नहीं आवे कोई दूजा, हमरी अटरिया पे आजा रे सांवरिया, देखा देखी तनिक हुई जाए, नैन लड़ जाई है नजर मिल जाई है, सब दिन का झगड़ा खत्म हुई जाए, हमरी अटरिया So now I'd like to talk about my vision of music, which is fusion music, like I mentioned, because I have learned so many different genres. I'm still trying to learn more. I think that, just say white color hai and red color hai, and if you mix both, you get pink, which is a new color. So, true, if you experiment, it's not necessary कि हमेशा ही अच्छा result मिलेगा. But if you don't experiment, if you don't try, then how do you know if you'll get anything at all? So I think there is a need to explore and create more. And honestly, music is just about finding a pattern between similarities and differences and creating a balance between both of those things. A simple example would be vibrato. Vibrato is a technique which is used in a lot of different genres. For example, let's take a Punjabi song. तूते मेरी आँखियाँ दी नींद चुराए. So what I've used in the end is vibrato. Okay? And I have the same for, let's say, a Western classical song like. See, I've used vibrato here as well. So it's the same technique, it's just applied in different ways, which means that we can always find a pattern between every single thing. And a question which people ask me, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? I think I see myself at a stage where, let's say I'm at a concert and I'm singing my own song, and people are actually singing back my lyrics to me. And I think for any professional, even if you're an entrepreneur or you're doing anything, our ultimate goal is that our ideas should be in the hearts and minds and in the lips of millions of people. And I hope I'm able to achieve that goal someday too. With that, I'd like to move on to my original song, Faryad, which is a classical rock song, which I recently released. And it's a blend of aggressiveness as well as a melancholic theme. And I'd like to present it to you right now. उसने भी जो दिल में उसने किया है क्या 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 करके दिखलाएगा दिल से दिल लगाएगा कर रहा है तो क्या 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 अब तो मैं क्या करूं अब तो मैं क्या करूं फरिया फरिया दोनों है पर क्यों करने करने बढ़िया come on बढ़िया बढ़िया किया है क्या अब तो मैं क्या करूं अब तो मैं क्या करूं बढ़िया बढ़िया Okay, so now, last but not least, to conclude this, I'd like to give a little, I won't say advice because यहाँ पे everyone is like elder to me, so it'll sound weird if I say advice, but star note kind of thing that don't wait for the perfect age, perfect time, perfect skill to sort of start anything because you will never find yourself perfect. You will always doubt yourself. You will always be like, नहीं ये ऐसे हो सकता है, and ऐसे अगर करते रहोगे पूरी जिंदगी पढ़े रहोगे और आगे नहीं बढ़ पाओगे. So you have to start right now. Start today. And honestly, if you put in your 10 hours worth of work into that little one phrase in the song ना, जो शायद कोई notice नहीं करेगा. अगर इतनी छोटी चीज में आपने मेहनत की है, तो your truth will always shine. It will always shine through. So maybe if today I am able to show myself in front of so many people, I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. Maybe I made mistakes today, but I have the courage to stand here today. So I'm hoping that maybe through me, I'll be able to inspire you and so many others to find their voice. So to end, I'd like to say thank you so much, TEDx, for having me here. I hope I can motivate all of you to achieve your goals too. And looking forward to seeing you in the future too someday. Thank you.